Hi again, I'm Wuhan Warrior. I'm in Wuhan, China. I'm a foreigner here. I've been here since the beginning. And we talked about masks, and I cut it short because the video went long. Gave you some tips there. Again, we have masks for sale. We're looking for gloves and some other things that we can start shipping to people. They're direct from China. The traces aren't the best. Shipping costs a fortune. If you know anybody in the U.S. or anywhere that can help and buy quantity, we can do we'll do the best we can to get you stuff. Um, these are gloves. If you want to wear the gloves, I'm going to show you how to put them on and take them off. This has powder in it. Blow in it. I have rings on, so sorry. Pull the glove up, pull it back. And here's a tip of what I do, and I don't know if you have these in certain countries. When I was going out, I bought these downstairs in my complex. And what there are sleeves. What there are sleeves. So now my glove is covered. I don't have to wear a suit, but anything from here down, and I have a coat on, usually, or wear long sleeves. I'm protected, okay? Now, when I take it off, I put my finger inside of here and roll this. Clean to dirty. Then you're going to have to disinfect it. So you turn it inside out. This is the problem, is you have to disinfect this. But I left it on my coat. So every time I put my coat on and off, I took it on and off. It's just an idea. You can use whatever you want to use. If you use your clothes, that's fine too. But I like the fact that I didn't know what I was dealing with, and especially when I was going to the hospitals and stuff, it covered me. So when you do your glove, don't touch them. Do this. Put your finger up inside, roll it, see, and pull it off. It's inside out. Okay? Very simple, simple tip. Now, I'm going to give you other quick tips around this. Again, I use these to cover my arm and glove. But the key thing is when you take this off, you have to disinfect it. If you're going somewhere, you know that there's infected, or you're going to a hospital, this is good to use. You may want to throw it away after. I hate to say that. You can also use a plastic bag. Put a rubber band here and a rubber band here, and use a plastic bag. I don't have one here to show you, sorry, because I'm thinking of these things as I'm doing this. Now, remember, I can get coronavirus here as long as I don't put it here, here, or here. And remember, it is aerosol. Again, that's why the mask will help. I forgot to say that in the last video. I apologize. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible for you. So, wearing gloves is important if you think you're around the virus. But I can still get it here, and soap and water is my best friend now. When you wash your hands, I'm going to always go through this. Wash your hands, wash up your arm. Do it twice. Don't do it once. I said that to the hospital at Tongji back in the beginning of this, to the doctors. I said, oh, that's a good idea. I said, yeah. You guys haven't thought of that? So these are tips and ideas that even sometimes the medical professionals don't think of things. So we as a team need to think of the best things that are going to work for us. Okay? So you can touch it. I can touch all kinds of viruses. As long as it doesn't go through the skin, it doesn't hurt me. The key thing is to get it off now. So washing your hands, moving your hands around, soap and water. Make the soap lather. Lathering means it actually has chemicals in it, but that's okay. Get it up your arms, clean, clean, clean. Wash it off, do it again. I'll do a hand washing video later. Thank you very much. Keep safe. We do have masks on Shops Exchange. It's connected to Wuhan Warriors. They're trusted people, vendors here and factories. We're trying to have somebody go look at them. If you can buy from there, you can choose someone else. I know what's going on, so it's safe. And I hope it helps. And also let you know too, we're trying to buy or get things at cost for other countries where they can't afford it. So anything you need, contact me. Thank you.